If you're learning to code, I recommend you check out my website, CodeHawke.com. My courses are fast, to the point, without the fluff that you'll find on other competitor sites like Pluralsight and Udemy. One of the reasons why you'll want to learn with me is that I'm a self-taught engineer myself. I never went to school for any of this stuff. I've been doing it for over a decade now professionally. I've risen through the ranks from junior level developer all the way to director of engineering. And in addition to that, I'm also a YouTuber. The biggest reason you should use CodeHawke is that it's one price for everything. I try to make this as affordable as possible. Instead of having to purchase 15 to 20 different courses on Udemy or an expensive monthly subscription to Pluralsight, it's one price for everything on CodeHawke. My website has been around for several years. My company has been around for over a decade. Front end, back end, full stack. It has courses on all the latest web development technology. There's currently over 40 courses on CodeHawke, and I'm releasing more courses all the time. The courses range from beginner to advanced. So if you want to learn the latest web technology, give CodeHawke a look. There's demos for all of the courses that are out there right now. In addition, there's also my personal vlogs, which I'll be adding more to. So content that I don't release to YouTube is available on CodeHawke.